What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, I got a plan. Man, it's been hunting me ever since, man. It's been hunting me ever since. The way I got did, man, I didn't like that. If you ain't seen or you ain't got the memo, man, you gotta slide over to Wifey channel. And me and her got it on. We got it on. No, it was not a setup, a stage. It was not a game. It was a legitimate race. At least I was on the floor. I don't know what she was. Sorry, y'all, camera cut off. But let me get in the inside. It's kind of cold. But as I was saying, if you didn't see, you got to slide over to her channel, Days with Kendra. Her channel on the screen, Days with Kendra. And I got a plan. Man. Wife ain't gonna see this video. She don't look at all the videos. She ain't gonna see it. So I'm in R&B. I can't go out like that. I'm in R&B. So I told Wifey, I was like, oh, I'm finna just go cruise and make a little video in R&B in the truck. So what I'm about to do is I gotta give myself the upper hand. I'm gonna call her out in the F-150. I'm gonna take the Coyote. I said, I'm gonna call out in the F-150. That's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm about to do, set the draggy up, go make me a test hit, and see what R&B run on the wheels. We know what it do on the other tires, so let me see what it run on the wheels. It's probably 9 something. Then I'm gonna go in the truck and take the draggy, and we're gonna see what the truck run. Then I know what I need to do. I got a plan. I know what I need to do. So we going testing. I can't live, man. I can't live like that, man. I can't. I said, it's crazy, man. You have to go see her video to see, man. We going testing though. It's cold as I don't know what, but I'm going testing. I said, I ain't made a video today. I gotta go make a video. And I told her, I was like, hey, I'm gonna go cruise around a little bit. You know, she ain't gonna look at it. So then, when I tell her, come on, let's get to it, she ain't gonna know. She is not gonna have no clue. So, man, where the dragon? Okay, I got it. Yeah, she ain't gonna have no clue, man. So, that's what I'm about to do. We're going testing BCG. We're just going testing, man. So, I'm finna test R&B. We're gonna get the time on that, and then we're gonna be ready. It's a rematch coming. So yeah, that's what's going on. Look at me. Here I am at this point, wondering How did I get here? How did my own car do this to me? But I got a plan. I will be victorious. I won't suffer defeat again. How could my own ride do this to me? It's time to put the hammer down. Let's get it. Alright, so waiting on this train, man. Got a mean train going by, but this thing got a mean exhaust leak, man. I need to go ahead and address it. I ain't been worried about it, so y'all hear it on the draggy. It's exhaust leak. It popped up when I drove the DJ the other day. I was on it more, boy. But it ain't had nothing but some paper header gaskets on here. I'm surprised they lasted this long, but they did. But y'all probably can hear it now. It's exhaust leak, mean exhaust leak. I might get around to change, I might not, man. I'm gonna change the engine. I mean, I probably will change it though, cause I can't take this, man. I can't drive around like this. But we about to carry on the plan, man. About to carry on the plan. I got the camera recorder right here for the draggy, and we're gonna see what it do. And then I'm gonna run it 2 times. I'm gonna run it in manual, then I'm gonna run it in drive, cause wife ain't gonna do nothing but go and drive anyway. So I'm gonna get it both ways, just in case you try to pull a trick move and decide to manual shift it. And I'm gonna say, okay, this fast is it gonna go manual shifting, and this fast is gonna go and drive. So we're gonna get it both ways, man. Just as soon as this train get finished, I can't stop thinking about it. I gotta give me some get back, man. Stay tuned. Checking out the ET, hoping it went a number. Maybe it went a 9, maybe it went an 8. Disappointment, sheer disappointment. How could this car go this slow? How could this car go this slow? But wait, something hit me. Something hit me. I needed to go slow. This is perfect. Wifey in trouble. Made it back. I tested the L150 too. My father-in-law going in the truck now. But I tested the L150 out there. I couldn't get it. I couldn't get the camera to connect or pull up on the app, so I don't have that footage for y'all. But the L150 runs 9s too, obviously. Let me get in the car. It's cold. So, we might be in the game. Still might be a little fight. Nah, we might be in the game. We might be in the game, man. In the previous clip, I was looking at the times. I was like, darn, I was disappointed. Then it hit me. I was like, I won't be driving this car no way. Wife would be driving this car. And it definitely can go faster than 990s. It can go faster than that on the wheels. But I didn't just completely turn it loose. Cause I'm like, wife is not gonna turn it loose like that. So what I'm sitting up here doing, I'm trying to emulate what wife is gonna do in this car. So I'm like, she ain't gonna turn it loose. Well, I'm gonna turn it loose. So I said she might run a 990 at best. But realistically, it'll probably go 950s. Cause I done played in, if I really make a hit, it got an exhaust leak too. Okay, I need to fix that. But I said, wifey ain't gonna go probably a 10 like the second pass. I said, it's more of a wifey pad, cause that was in drive. That was in just straight, leaving it in drive and just going. And still not just pedal to the floor, cause I'm trying to emulate what wifey gonna do, man. even the first run, I don't think she was on the floor. I think she was a little nervous. So I think I got her covered in the F-150. I'm going to get the F-150. And I think I'm going to take her up through there. I think I got her covered in the F-150. Put her back in this. And I'm going to get in the F-150. I'm going to call her out. I think I'm going to be able to take her out. I can't go out like that. I gotta have her. I gotta get my get back. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it, man. The F-150 gonna be my weapon of choice. And I think we got to cover because the F-150 went like some mid-9s. Which, I mean, if she made a pass like I make, it'll still be a dogfight. It'll be a good race, but I don't think it's gonna be nothing to see this time. It really ain't gonna be nothing to see. At all. Oh! I mean business. So, I got it coming. And we got to get this done before I switch engines, man. I can't when I switch engines and then we try to race again, then I ain't gonna have no chance, man. I ain't gonna have no chance with her in this car. So, unless she blow the tires off. I don't know. But then R&B still makes some good power, man. I did the art. Y'all see I did the burnout. Man. I've been seeing it can turn them over. I just didn't put it on camera for y'all, so did the burnout, man. I was testing the launches too. So while I was testing the launches right there, I said maybe Wifey, let me see what Wifey 60 foot would be. I went ahead and set the tripod down. I'm like, might as well give him a burnout. So it's coming. And like I said, if you didn't see her video, you got to go to the channel, man. We raced. We actually raced. We finally raced, man. Legitimate race in Mexico. It's her first race. Her first time in Mexico ever. So we got to it, man. Y'all got to go check that out on her channel. It's on the screen again. Days with Kendra. Go check that video out, man, cause part 2 coming. And I told you it gonna be on your channel. I'm gonna call her out on video. I'm finna call her out on video. As soon as I get out this car, I'm going upstairs to call her out. She gonna have to accept my challenge, or she gonna have to decline. I'm gonna call her out again, man. And I told her it's gonna go down on her channel. That's where it started. That's where I'm gonna take her out. I'm gonna take her out on her channel. Then we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming. So we got a plan, BCG. We got a plan, man. We can't go out like that. I've been having dreams about it. Been dreaming about this day. Calling her out.
Stay tuned in. You can see.
She's gonna be in the car. She's gonna be in the car on GoPro, y'all. She's gonna say, Monica.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk. Y'all are gonna see everything. So y'all stay tuned in to see who wins this race.
That's gonna make you a 10 hit.
I
start the outro.
You heard me, y'all.
I start with transition.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let her do a test hit first. Then cut it. Then when she come back, we're gonna get to the
race. Yes. So y'all stay tuned in.
I want smoke.
Let's get it.
It's gonna be a gap.